Hello guys, I don't know if you could hear me or see me, but I want to show you we're in an attic and I want to kind of show you how it is to get to this attic. I'm going to have to turn on my light. Just want to show you guys. I don't know, my light keep going off for some reason. You can see over my head, I've got to be really low. And once again my light went off again. But we almost to the unit anyway, so. So we just keep crawling. You can see over my head, it's really, I'm actually going to wire up a unit. But I'm on my hands and knees. Almost there. Damn. Feel like getting stuck by my back. Almost there. We actually to the unit. And this is the unit here. I'm coming to wire up, so I'll do another video to show you how to wire up the unit. But I just want to show you the struggle I had just to get to the unit. Alright guys, see ya.